So using this example, I am going to explain what is longitudinal, transverse and torsional vibration. Okay. So let's first understand about the longitudinal vibration. मान लीजिए पहले हम longitudinal vibration समझ रहे हैं. So what do we mean by longitudinal vibration? So बेटा, this is the axis of the shaft. Okay. ये हमारी shaft का axis है. So let's say I am applying a force on this in the longitudinal direction. ठीक है. Means I am displacing it downward and then I am releasing it. मान लीजिए मैं इस शाफ्ट के ऊपर एक longitudinal force अप्लाई करता हूँ. Let's say I am applying a longitudinal force on this shaft. So I am displacing it in the longitudinal direction. मैं longitudinal direction पे displace कर रहा हूँ and then I am releasing it. So what is going to happen to this system? Right now, don't consider the mass of this shaft. Okay, let's assume that the rotor of the shaft has a very large mass compared to the shaft. तो अभी इसके मास को कंसीडर नहीं करो, बस इसके मास को कंसीडर करो. So what is going to happen? अगर मैं इसको longitudinal direction में डिस्प्लेस करके छोड़ दूं, तो इसके साथ क्या होने वाला है मेरे भाई? What is going to happen to this? It is going to start vibrating in this direction, right? It is going to start vibrating up and down like this. It is going to start vibrating up and down like this. So what is this? This is known as longitudinal vibration. ये क्या है? Longitudinal vibration. Longitudinal vibration means the rotor is vibrating in the longitudinal direction of the shaft. ये rotor जो है वो longitudinal direction में vibrate कर रहा है. Longitudinal direction means along the length of the shaft. Okay. Longitudinal direction means along the length of the shaft. Now it is not necessary that it should be vertical. This entire system can be horizontal also. ये पूरा system horizontal भी हो सकता है. Then in that case, this will be the longitudinal vibration. Vibration has to happen in the longitudinal direction. It can be vertical, it can be horizontal. It doesn't matter. If the shaft is kept horizontal, then the vibration will be in horizontal direction. ठीक है? So we have seen this vibration in spring mass system. हमने spring mass system में देखा हुआ ये vibration, right? In spring mass system, the vibration is longitudinal vibration only. This vibration is longitudinal vibration only, right? But now we will see it in the shaft rotor system. Shaft rotor system means instead of a spring, we now have a shaft. Spring की जगह हमारे पास अब क्या है? एक shaft. Shaft का example क्यों ले रहे हैं? Because usually in machine, this is the moving body, right? This is the moving body. ये shaft जो है, इसके साथ जो rotor लगा हुआ